How to register an account on Cowrywise. Make sure you have this app installed on your device. Tap on it. So it comes out like this when you have it on your device, either on your Android phone or your iPhone. Go ahead and tap on sign up. Now you have different options here. Sign up with your Apple or with your Google account, or use your email address. So I will continue with my email address. Tap on continue with email address. Provide your email address in the space provided. Tap on get started. Now a code has been sent to your email address. Go to your email address and enter the code in the space provided here. So here is the code. Copy this code. It's one-time code. Copy it. Provide the code in the space provided here. Tap on continue button. Now it comes out like this. Then you see that a username has been chosen for you. Provide your legal first name and legal last name. So you can change your username if you wish. Provide your phone number in the space provided here. Create password. So once you create your password, tap on create account. So now that I've tap on create account, you need to create your Cowrywise PIN. This is 4-digit number, so enter a 4-digit number here as your PIN. Repeat this number in the space provided. Tap on done. PIN set successfully. Tap on OK. Now you need to verify your account. So to verify your account, you need to provide your BVN, the space provided here, then your date of birth. So provide your BVN and date of birth. Make sure that your date of birth is correct as it is in your document. Tap on verify. That has been verified successfully.
Hi, welcome to Cowrywise, your digital wealth partner. Whether you're saving for your future.
So what do you know to do? Saving or invest. This has to do with you. Are you saving or you are investing? So you can choose any of these, then tap on continue. So that's all guys on how to create your Cowrywise account. If you get this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.